Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm with my cousin, Kitty, and today we'll be doing a video. Kitty, say hi.
Hi.
So today we'll be unboxing some Barbie. What are these? Barbie pets.
These are Barbie pets we will buy. And there's sand slime.
Surprise.
It's a surprise sand slime.
If we will be doing that, you want to do that?
Yeah, we need something.
That's okay. I know how to open these. Okay. You know what? I'm just going to use my teeth. You know what?
And exactly, we don't know. We got our both. We know our both one, but these are same.
They might be the same. I'm just opening it. Ooh, there I go. I got two. Wait, did you get? Oh, I'm done. I need to take the.
This should be our pet. I feel like this looks like a doggy.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna take out this thing. Can you try to take that out? Oh, there.
Oh.
So these are all the pets.
I have one in mine.
Do not open yours yet.
And the pet that I would like is this pet and this
She wants
pet.
the owl pet, and what else pet do you want?
This one. I would like this one. And sorry guys, you can't look. I would like the reindeer, the deer one, and the owl one.
Yeah, she wants.
But I did eeny meeny miny mo, but it landed to the owl. But I like owls.
I really want this. I want. I like this one, and I really want the glitter one too, the rare glitter figure.
Same, but
I doubt we're gonna get it, but fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I hope I get it. Okay, let's open.
We're gonna open.
Let's open this one first. I just want to open this one first. Okay, you know what? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
How do you open that?
Oh, well, I got it. I didn't get the one which I wanted, but I got Mutt. Mutt. Yeah, that's a weird name. Need help?
Yeah.
Okay. When you have these, I hate when you have these. It's like, there. You got the one which I wanted.
We both got.
Can we trade?
No.
I want that one.
Wait. Now we're going to open the second one.
Okay,
I can't believe what's in these.
I really like them actually. They were in Target, and we only got 2. I only got 1.
I'm going to India. That's why it came here, and then I'll switch to another.
Wait, I feel like we get 2.
Same.
That's so weird. I'm actually. Oh, this is series 10. Been 10 years.
I got this one.
Let's see what I got. What?
The same?
That's so weird.
We never know we got the same, so we must keep both of these.
I want to have that one though. I like that one.
But I wanna have it. We thought there's like things in it.
I thought that there was like some accessories.
Same. Because
Okay, how do you rate this? Like, do you want to go first or should I?
What do you mean, wait?
Like, oh, you should buy this or not? I feel like you can buy this, but like, if you want to buy this as like a goodie bag present, that would be good. But I doubt, like, these are not like the Barbie material. Like, they're soft.
Yeah.
Like, these are like, I doubt that this is made by Mattel. If it is,
We're gonna open this together.
This is made by Just Play.
Huh? Clay?
Just Play. Isn't Barbie always made out of Mattel? Because, like, didn't Mattel make Barbie? Because, like, Mattel, like, the Barbie show is always made out of Mattel.
Now we're gonna open this.
Okay.
We're gonna open the mystery one, and we can't wait to see. What's the mystery?
Oh, 1 minute. Let's show it in front of the camera. You want to take this off?
Yeah.
No, I want to peel. I want to peel. You're so mean.
Sorry, now you can peel because this got off.
No, not that one. Where's that cut? Yes, there. I love to do this. Ugh. You know what?
That's my turn.
Yes. I don't like these at all. I don't. They don't even twist or anything. I don't like this. I hate that. Why did I even choose this to buy this?
Sorry. I really want that one.
I really wanted to have the Rainbow High Purses one. I would like that better.
Ow.
Oh, my sushi. Oh, my God.
Oh, I didn't know open this. Okay.
Oh, that's so...
White? This is a mystery? White sand?
Okay, put this here. You have to put it here. We got the plate. We got this monster.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. We got this monster thing.
I like sand slime. I never got them before, but this is my first one.
They're pretty cool, actually. No, you put them on here. Can I have a little bit so I can play with a
You
little
can
bit?
take this much.
So mean.
You take this much.
Okay. Okay, tonight I'll be, let's have like a sleepover.
Where?
Like, I'll sleep with you. I'll sleep with you.
Can you don't sleep late tomorrow?
Why?
Tomorrow night, today night, can you don't sleep so late?
You want to sleep late?
No, I want to sleep fast. And so you can wake up fast.
Tomorrow I have school.
We're going home.
Yeah, tomorrow I have school. Okay, look.
Wow.
You try. But well, then I'm going to put this on here, the platform.
Do you hear it?
Yeah, that's the thing with my sister's room. You can, like, hear anything.
Oh, your maybe it's not our parents. Wow, look at mine's.
Okay, do not, like, get it everywhere because we're going to sleep on here, so. But let's play. I'm surprised why they give us a second one. I mean, if you got one of these before, if you guys got one of these before, I want you guys to say if you guys got a second one and you guys got a raccoon. Because I'm, like, confused. If I got a raccoon, I'm like, are they trying to say that we're trash? No, never. But I really like hers because I wanted to have it.
Yeah, we didn't switch.
Can we trade?
No.
Please.
No, I don't want to. If I say trade, that we can say trade. We can trade, but I didn't say trade.
Come on, mine got a print.
But I don't like prints. Mine got a print. Still.
But mine got a hat. It has your favorite colors. Pink, purple.
But mine has brown.
Huh?
Mine has brown.
Yeah, I like that kind of dog. But anyways, that's for today's video. See you guys. Bye. Say bye.
No, we have still more videos. Tonight we're going to do a video.
Well, we will, but stay tuned. Bye.